Hi, welcome back. I'm Naren, and in this video, we will check out AIS annual information statement from IT department, how you can use it and understand. So, why IT department has AIS? It is to give income and tax related information in detail. It's kind of in addition to 26 AIS, which was more specific to the tax collected, like a summary. And IT website uses this to autofill the corresponding ITR form while filing. And through AIS, IT department also allowed the assessee to give feedback about the incomes and the tax collected information that IT department has collected. So what is 26 AIS? In 26 AIS, tax related information for a PAN that IT department has is summarized, like TDS, TCS, self-assessment, tax paid, advance tax paid, and any tax refund. So normally you use 26 AIS to cross-check the various incomes and tax deducted, so that you can decide how much advance the self-assessment tax that you need to pay during return filing. And it was used to autofill during IT return filing previously. So the new AIS, this started and available since financial year 2020-21, I think mostly around October, November last year. It's 2021. And you can download your AIS after logging into the IT portal under services AIS and for a financial year. You can also download the TAS, which is the tax summary of the AIS. And it has more details of the items which is available in 26 AIS, like TDS, TCS, tax payment and refund. And it will also have the SFT, specified financial transactions, which doesn't touch on any tax related information, but more about the income related or high value transactions, so that IT department wants to make sure that everything is covered to avoid any avoidance of the tax payment. It will also have other things like the interest on the tax refund, the purchase of any foreign currency. So it tries to track important financial transactions for a particular plan. And during filing, the IT returns tool will use AIS to autofill the ITR form. So you need to cross-check your AIS before your income tax filing. And AIS has an option for the assessee to give feedback to the IT department. So you can go to the AIS page and directly, if you instead of downloading the PDF of an AIS page, you can click the AIS page to open the AIS page, and there you will have an option to give the feedback. So there will be bulk feedback option also, where you can combine multiple records and give a feedback. And the feedback option is available for TDS, TCS and the SFT records. And by default, it is optional, but some of the items can be marked as expected if that record is picked for the e-campaign, that we will see in the next section. So AIS is also introduced for the faceless compliance, where income tax department can ask questions and the SEC can respond online. So if there are any open questions from the IT department for any SEC, then there will be uh, campaigns, e-campaigns for those things. And you can access any e-campaign from the ITD portal through pending actions, compliance portal and e-campaign. So this one is started for voluntary compliance for the SEC. So through eCampaign, you will provide feedback on AIS info. So expected status in AIS means feedback is expected. So when there is an eCampaign created for you, you will get an SMS and email notification for the eCampaign to go and check the eCampaign and respond. So by default, when you file your IT returns, the IT tool will try to match the AIS sections to the ITR filed corresponding schedules. And if there are any open questions, it will create an e-campaign for you to answer, where you are matching those transactions in your returns. There is also help and resource sections under AIS portal, so you can read upon more on the e-campaign and the compliance portal. So there is also AIS utility which you can download, and you can download a JSON file of the AIS so that you can update the responses offline using the tool, and then in one shot you can upload the updated content to the IT website. Hope this is helpful for your next IT filing, and good luck with your income tax filing. If you find this useful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching.